Verification of Kirchhoff's current law. Here firstly I have to take this breadboard, and now I have to take 3 resistors each of 1 ohm. First resistor I have to take place, update. Here I put my first resistor. Now I took second resistor, rotate it. Now I took third resistor. R1 and R2 are in series, and R3 is parallel to R1. This is ohm. R resistor are in ohm. Now we took voltage source, 9-volt battery. Now connect positive terminal to the positive terminal of resistor 1. Connect negative terminal to the negative terminal of the resistor 3, and connect negative terminal of resistor 2 to the negative terminal of 3. Now we took 3 multimeters to record the current in each resistor. Here I took these 3 multimeters. Now connect terminals. Now we connect the terminal of multimeter 2. And connect the terminals of multimeter 1. Now it's ready to stimulate. Now we got the readings in our multimeter. Basically Kirchhoff's current law states that the algebraic sums of the all current meeting at a point or a junction is 0. As we take this as a junction, this point as a junction, so here we have 3 currents. Here we got 3 ammeter readings. The current one through the resistor 1 is 6 ampere, current 2 through the resistor 3 is 3 ampere, and current through the resistor 2 is also 3 ampere. At a point, current 6 ampere is distributed into 2 parts, 3 ampere and 3 ampere. 3 ampere through the resistor 2 and 3 ampere through the resistor 3. And now according to the Kirchhoff current law, I1 equals to I2 plus I3. 6 ampere equals to 6 amperes. That verify the Kirchhoff's current law. And as we took the algebraic sum of currents, at last we get the algebraic sum as 0. That also verify the statement of Kirchhoff's current law. Thank you.